San Cristóbal hit by heavy rain and strong winds. Houses damaged, power outages, residents panicked, emergency teams deployed the 3rd of September, 2025. Heavy rains and strong winds struck the city on Wednesday afternoon, causing panic among residents and damage across several areas. In response, Mayor Fabiola Ricci Diestel immediately mobilized all city departments to act swiftly. Joint teams from civil protection, firefighters, police, transportation, public lighting, environmental services, and sanitation worked together to manage the impacts of the disaster. The most affected areas included Santo Domingo, the Jose Castillo Tielemans Market, and the city center. Powerful winds tore off rooftops, a wall collapsed along Avenida 16 de Septiembre, and power outages spread across Santo Domingo, Tielemans, Ciudad Real, and parts of downtown. Floodwaters at Puente Blanco dragged cars and motorcycles, heightening residents' fears. One person suffered a head injury and was rushed to the hospital, while others experienced panic attacks. Emergency crews are currently focused on clearing fallen trees, branches, and debris, blocking several roads. Some streets in the historic city center remain closed to allow rapid emergency access. The mayor urged citizens to remain calm, follow safety lines, and avoid dangerous zones, especially where submerged power lines still pose serious risks. As a precaution, temporary shelters have been prepared at civil protection posts, though they have not yet been used. Mayor Ricci Diestel stressed that while such natural phenomena cannot always be predicted, they can be addressed with rapid emergency response. She also highlighted the importance of community cooperation in protecting the environment, especially amid the growing threat of climate change.